Hi friends, up to this it is very clear what is the meaning of customized exceptions, predefined exceptions like. Now the next thing what I have to discuss, how to define and raise customized exceptions. Very important, have a look once sir. If you want to define any exception, so every exception in Python is a class. So if you want to define your own exception, you have to write your exception class. Are you getting right? So defining customized exception means you have to write the exception class. Sir, next when a class will get exception ability, suppose I am taking class test. Okay, I am taking class test. Can I use this class as exception? Can I use this class as an exception? No. So it is not exception class, it is a normal class. When we can use a class as exception, when this class is going to get exception ability, compulsory this class should be child class of base exception, either directly or indirectly. Have you remembered, right? In the last video somewhere we covered exception hierarchy. Okay, so which class acts as the base for all exceptions, right? I hope you people may remember base exception. Okay, so for this base exception, child class is there exception. So for this exception, child class is there arithmetic error. Okay, arithmetic error like we have multiple, right? So compulsory your exception class also should be child class of base exception, either directly or indirectly, no problem at all. So what I will take is, so most of the times if you want to define your own exception, okay, better to make your exception class is the child class exception. It is a common programming practice. Okay, here you have to write too young exception, something like or too old exception. So if you want to write your class should be exception class, so it should extend either exception or base exception or any exception, compulsory it should fall under this base exception hierarchy. Is it clear, right? Sir, now I want to take class, okay, too young exception, class too young exception. Okay, it is a normal class. When this class will have exception ability means, do you know, it should be child class of either base exception or arithmetic error, like anything you can take, but general programming practice, okay, exception like this we can. Are you in the position to understand? We have to write a class, sir, name of the exception class, and it should be child class of exception. Next, I hope you remembered, if you want to raise a too young exception, okay, your exception having any description or not. Suppose here, have you observed 0 division error, 0 division error. This is the name of the exception. Division by 0, division by 0, this is the description. This is the name of the exception, this is the description. Like too young exception, okay, too young exception, this is the name of the exception, and I want some description also. What that description is, array, please wait some more time, please wait some more time, definitely you will get best match, definitely you will get best match. Remember this one, please wait some more time, definitely you will get best match. Remember this one, sir. So means that so this is the description. So your exception having some description or not, if your exception having some description, so it is the argument to constructor. Now what I have to take, def underscore init underscore self. Do you know what is this syntax, right? Constructor comma message is, this is the description, sir. Okay, here you have to declare self dot message is equal to message like, that's all. So this is the way how you can define predefine, I mean customize the exceptions, right? Write a class, which is the child class of exception. Next write the constructor and so some message variable. So create one instance variable self dot message is equal to message, like you can take here. This variable can be anything you can take, but better to take here compulsory instance variable should be msg. Any doubt about this one, sir? Clear, right? Okay, this is the way how you can define, okay, our own customized exceptions concept. Okay, of course with example. So with the program, executable program, I will explain. First get the basic idea. Next I have to so raise this based on my requirements. How you can raise this one? So how you can raise this one based on our requirement, right? Sir, very simple. Create an object for this class. Okay, now I'm taking so to old to young exception, like this I'm taking to young exception. Okay, here just pass the description, whatever description you want you can pass. So to young exception, please wait some more time, definitely you will get the best match. Okay, this is the message description, whatever you want for this you have to pass this one, sir. So you created exception object, now you have to raise this exception object explicitly, then automatically we have to use which keywords are raise keyword. Remember this one. Okay, raise this exception object. Now immediately Python virtual machine got this exception object, no handling code, stop the program by raising this exception. Is it clear for all of you? How to define our own exception, how to raise our own exception. That's all. This is the syntactical thing what you people should aware. So any explanation is required? So is it possible to define any number of our own exceptions or not? Yes, that facility Python people provided, no problem. Write a class which is the child class of exception, write the constructor, declare one instance variable with provided value. That's it. Suppose if I don't want to pass any description, yes man, I don't want to pass any description, then the constructor is also not required, just pass. That's all. This constructor you can ignore if you don't have any description. Okay, clear, right? Any explanation is required? Just observe carefully. Here how to define and raise customized exceptions. Okay, now here just observe every exception in Python is a class, and it should be child class of base exception, either directly or indirectly. Sir, it's not compulsory child class of base exception directly, either directly or indirectly. Next class name of exception. Sir, next predefined exception should be some parent. Next this is the constructor what we have. This is the syntax to define our own exception. Sir, example if you want, have a look once. Example, class to young exception, which is the child class of exception. Now self comma message, self dot message is equal to message. To young exception is our own exception class name, and it is the child class of exception, which is the predefined exception. Exception is the predefined exception. To young exception is our own exception class name. Okay, well, next here, so we can raise exception by using raise keyword. Remember this one, which keyword we require to use? Raise keyword we require to use, sir. Next raise to young exception. Here message, whatever description you want to provide, happily you can provide. So theoretically, are you feeling comfortable how to define and how you can raise customizer exceptions? If you feel comfortable, then happily we can go for executable program so that you people can feel more comfortable. Any doubt? Sir, let me convert the total theory of customized exceptions, sir, into an executable program so that you will get much clarity. Observe very carefully, sir. So how to define customized exceptions? Sir, here class to young exception. Sir, I am taking to young exception. So compulsory our exception class. Okay, our exception is a class and it should be child class of base exception either directly or indirectly. Sir, I'm taking generally exception. Okay, exception like this I'm taking, sir. Now my target is, so your exception is going to accept some description or not? Yes. Okay, def underscore init underscore okay, self comma message. Okay, like I'm taking, so because we want to pass some description, okay, that's why now self dot message, self comma message, self dot message is equal to message. That's all. So first customizer exception is ready. That's all. This is the very simple, sir. Defining our own exception is the very simple. Nothing is there, sir. Now class to old exception, class to old exception, it is the child class of exception. It should be child class of exception, right? Class to old exception, it is the child class of exception. Okay, def underscore init underscore self comma message, sir. Here self dot message is equal to message like. Yes. Okay, second customized exception is also ready, friends. Sir, up to this any doubt? Can you please confirm? So here how you can define our own exceptions. Okay, well, sir, how you can use these exceptions, how you can raise these exceptions, let me talk about this one. Here read age. Sir, this is, I'm taking this one related to matrimonial application. Okay, I want to enter, end user is the responsible to enter age. Based on his age, I have to provide proper response. Okay, well, so I will ask, Ray, can you please enter your age? Okay, int age is sir, here just take very special care about this one, sir. Age is equal to sir, int of input of enter age. Can you please enter your age? Okay, if age greater than 60, sir, if age is greater than 60, maybe someone is trying to register in the matrimonial website with 90 years or 99 years, sir. What I want to take, I want to provide, okay, rise to young exception, please wait some more time, definitely you will get a best match. Okay, definitely you will get a best match. Are you getting? Rise to young exception, please wait some more time, definitely you will get a best match. Remember, so then immediately ask, sir, age greater than 60, so two old exceptions are, but you are rising to young exception just for fun. Okay, I know actually we have to rise two old exception, but here two young exception just for fun, it is just reversing the. Sir, please wait some more time, definitely you will get best match. Sir, when is going to get best match? So maybe somewhere at Swargam or Narkam somewhere, because after a few years, some more days, definitely this person will be gone. 99 years age person, still how many days will be there? Very rare. So definitely wait some time, you will get best match. Okay, like, sir, if age less than 18 years, sir, I want to provide support. So my matrimonial application will provide support from 18 to 60 years only. Remember, so if age greater than 60, rise okay exception. If age less than 18, still it is also invalid, something goes wrong, to indicate I have to raise exception. Now rise to old exception, okay. So what I have to take, sir? To old exception, your age already crossed marriage age. Your age already crossed marriage age. No chance of getting marriage. No chance of getting marriage. Like this I'm taking, sir. Your age already crossed marriage age. No chance of getting marriage. Just for fun, reversing I'm taking, sir. Actually here age less than 18 means too young exception. Age greater than 60 means too old exception we have to take. But I reversed just for fun. Beyond that nothing. Okay, next else, sir. Sir, can you please tell? So when the control will comes to else block, if the age is not greater than 60, age not less than 18. So means within our range only 18 to 16. Then what I have to take? Okay, print. Okay, just I have to take print. Just very simple, sir. Print. Okay, so thanks for registration. You will get match details. You will get match details soon by email. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. Soon by email. Okay, like. So if age greater than 60, something goes wrong, rise to young exception. Age less than 18, something goes wrong, rise to old exception. Next, otherwise no exception, print proper message. Are you in the position to understand, right? A simple basic example to understand how to define our own exception, how you can raise sir exception based on programming requirement. Any doubt? Can I execute this code? Just have a look once, sir. Here same example I took, sir. Just observe. Class to young exception. Exception is the parent class. Sir, this is the constructor. Now you know how you can define. Sir, that's all. This is the first exception class. Next, this is the second exception class, to old exception. So total how many customized exceptions I defined? 2 customized exceptions I defined, sir. Next, input enter age. Okay, if age greater than 60, rise to young exception. Because something goes wrong, please wait some more time. Definitely you will get a best match. Where you will get the best match? After death maybe. Okay, if age less than 18, rise to old exception. Your age already crossed marriage age, no chance of getting marriage. Else, sir, else means age is not less than 18, not greater than 60. Perfect. Then you will get match details soon by email. So everything is clear for you people, right? Not required to define. So how you can define, how you can rise based on your programming requirement. Best example to understand, friend. Sir, now let me execute this code. Have a look once. Sir, I'm taking here. Let me execute this code. Py test.py. Enter age, sir. 99. Okay, 99 grandfather age. Okay, what is the response it's going to tell? Pass. It is telling to young exception. Please wait some more time. Definitely you will get a best match. Are you getting? So please wait some more time. Definitely you will get a best match. Sir, enter age. This time 12 years I'm taking, sir. Now to old exception. Your age already crossed marriage age, no chance of getting marriage. Remember this one, sir. So next, sir, 25 perfect marriage age for the gent. 25 I'm taking, sir. No exception. You will get a match details soon by email. So I hope the terminology is very clear for you people, how to define, how you can raise our exceptions, right? Sir, now I have one small point. Take very special care, sir. Sir, do you know, to young exception is our own exception. To old exception is our own exception. Python virtual machine not having any information about this. So when this exception should be raised, PVM not having any information. Who is the responsible to raise a programmer responsible based on our programming requirement, based on our functionality? I have to raise this exception. PVM not having any idea. That's why. So which keyword we require to use, sir? Rise keyword we require to use. Again, which keywords are rise? Rise keyword best suitable for customized exceptions, not for predefined exceptions. Remember this one, sir. Rise keyword best suitable for customized exceptions, but not for predefined exception. Even if you want, you can use for predefined exception, but it's not a good programming practice. Are you in the position to understand, right? That's all. So this is the total concept of customized exceptions. Very, very important for the interview room, even for day-to-day coding also. Clear, right? That's all. Your exception handling concept got completed. I hope you can enjoy. Just a review again so that you will get much clarity. Any doubt about this? Clear, right?